You turn all those off. Okay. So let's look at this day. Day started out with a strong down candle, balance, drop, took out the swing low. So I'm immediately thinking I want a short. And my level would have been drawn right here. And it was. Almost came back and tested. Almost came back and tested. Almost came back. And the decision I made is whatever bounce power existed at this level was stolen. So I would not trade this level. If you were going to trade this level, you would want to trade not that one. You'd want to trade a little higher up. You'd want to trade that one. Say, no problem. You stole all the bounce power here. Where's the greediest entry that I could have? And it would be this level here. And if you took that trade, you did very, very well. I just didn't like how it kept wicking into this area. I would have loved one more down candle and then come up and touch it. Man, I would have loved that. I would have loved this type of action a little lower to hit this backside, and it didn't happen. So that was my analysis. Price pushed down, took out this swing low again. So you're looking for another short off the backside, and there's your short. You took a little bit of heat, not much, 1.5, and you did well. So price came up and took out this swing high. So in this area, I'm thinking we're balanced. So in balance, I don't mind taking a cotton long or a short if it's a clear, clean, crisp level. The problem is, as price came down, there is not a clear, clean, crisp level here. Under normal conditions, this would have been it, but I don't like this blue candle right there. That blue candle, to me, is blocking this level, so I don't trade it. So no trade. And then we swung down. We took out this swing high. We took out, this swing low, this swing low. So now we're back to trend. Mainly trend the whole way down. So where's my backside trade? You could, if you wanted to just do white candles, it's here. You got no entry. If you wanted to be the most aggressive possible, there would have been your entry for your short. So price goes up, takes out this little bitty tiny swing high. At this moment, kind of thinking balance. And then news came out and this thing shot up strong. One of the things I want to point out, if you're trading cotton levels and you're not worried about trend or anything like that, this is a traditional cotton level. You could have taken that short right there and had 20 points down. Let me move this to here. So we took out this swing high here from a trend down. I'm in balance. So I'm looking for longs or shorts. And look where price went exactly to the penny. A beautiful cotton level. So if you went short here and you stayed in, congratulations, you had an amazing trade. Price bounces off here and goes up. Where is price likely going to stop? How about at another cotton level? Price came down. Where's it going to bounce? How about another cotton level? So there were several trades in there while you're in balance, long or short, if you wanted to play them. So price went through, bounced up, break even, made a little somewhere in there, did not take out this swing high and went up. So you're still in balance. It's your choice if you want to take this trade as well. You took some heat. Price is getting squirrely there towards the end of the day. You took 5 points and you could have probably gotten out at break even. This is in the power hour. So it's your choice if you want to trade in there. At this point, it's pretty obvious. In fact, somewhere in here is probably where I said, guys, you're in the middle of the range of the day. So take this swing high, take this swing low. You're smack dab in the middle of the range. Not necessarily a great place to trade. If you're going to trade that, I want to trade the extremes down here, and I want to trade the extremes up here. This is so close to the middle, you really don't want to take that trade, and you really wouldn't take that trade. These are the two trades you could have taken. When price came down, bounced off this cotton level, when it went back up here, this middle stuff, as I put in the chat, I wouldn't trade any of that for those reasons. It's getting later in the day. Candles start moving big. You're in a real tight range. Not a good place to trade. So there's my analysis of the day. Think we saw the day really well as far as looking for the shorts here. Notice all of this has nothing to do with overnight highs or overnight lows, IB highs, IB lows. What's the dollar doing? What's the bond market doing? What's Bitcoin doing? What's VIX doing? None of that came into play. If we're just trading strictly off the levels, and the levels work. Have a good day.